Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tylee Clark, and for the last few weeks I have been studying abroad in China, and I loved it so far. It's a great experience, but in the next few days I am going to be studying for finals, and then next week I do get to go back home, so I'm just going to be taking you guys along with me. So right now I have 2 classes for today, and then I plan on studying for the rest of the day, but there is a beautiful view. I can show you. This is the view from our classes. It's so pretty, but yes, I'm enjoying my time, and but yeah, I'm going to head into class now and then catch up with you guys later. I'm currently in Starbucks. I had to try a new drink. I'm going to try honeycomb crunch mocha, so we'll see how that tastes. It should be good. These are their summer drinks that they have, and I'm going to try, see if I can point to this one. Looks to be good, so we'll see. This drink is so cold and refreshing. Like, it's really hot outside, and the humidity is like 90% of why it's hot, so we're just enjoying the air, and we're having a little Starbucks date, so here's Deja. She's gonna try hers. Cheers. They waiting. Is it peanuts? It's like chocolatey. Y'all, it just started raining out of nowhere, and for the one time in our lives we don't have our umbrellas. Like, this is crazy. Like, I can't. China, we're stranded. We're using the trees for protection, and it's getting harder. It's almost sad. This is really crazy. Like, just our luck. I'm soaked. I'm really soaked. Like, I had to run. I don't like being barefoot, but I had to run. And it's still raining. And it's still raining. Like, look how much water is pouring down on the stairs. Like, really? So we're trying to go inch by inch, building by building to get to our dorm. Yep. He gave us a ride. Shout out to him. Aww. Shasha. Oh, shout out to him. We made it. That was so nice. We made it. Y'all ain't gonna have the door unlocked. Y'all, we have a story. We got stuck. Fucking soaking wet. Shit.
We had to take our shoes off and run for our life, yo.
I was running like this.
She couldn't run in those.
My feet were sliding like hell.
We in Starbucks. I'm like, first of all, before it even started raining, I was like, I saw the cloud. I was like, I think we need to go. She was like, okay. Started raining. 5 seconds later, we like, okay, you know, we're just gonna chill, you know, make our way back. We under the tree, the shade, and it's, you know, drizzling.
Yo, I'm soaking wet. See through as ever.
So we had to run.
We had an adventure.
Once we got to the tunnel, it just started pouring. People was.
It was so good. Make you want to dance. It's so good. But after this, I'm gonna study and then catch up with you guys later. I'm finally done taking my notes.
I never wear it out.
Look at all these notes I took.
I don't know what they
So many notes.
That's
for the first section.
Whatever you trying to set in my pants, probably already seen. So I don't care.
Next section.
I don't care.
And then I'll have a section back here. Like, it's like 2:27. Everybody's all pooped out.
But I think I made the conscious decision that I'm gonna just wear my hair.
But yeah, I'm about to go to bed. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Today is finals. Today is the day. The first one shouldn't be too hard. The second one, I don't know. I'm on my way to the bakery because I'm hungry. And then I'm going to head to class. So the first one shouldn't be too hard because we can use our notes. The second one, not so much. We cannot use our notes at all, and it's so much information we have to maintain. But I'm going to head into the bakery and then go to class and catch up with you guys later. How you think you did? Tell the world how you think you did.
I aced it. Yes.
I don't know how I did, y'all. I don't know how I did, y'all. We'll find out next week. I definitely passed, but I don't know if I aced it. You think you aced it?
I did. Well,
This next one.
well, minus the fact that I didn't really get 300 words on the last one. I probably got like 200 words, but other than that, I don't know.
This
But let me not be too confident because I got
right? You be like, oh, I can't do this shit.
like look
No.
what come out with.
I failed. So guys, I'm back in the market and they have my cantaloupe. They have it. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yes. I need this in my life. Oh my gosh. Finally. Now I can eat my fruit. Are we eating at the canteen tonight again? I don't either. I want something different. Like, it's the weekend. You should ask Liam where the African food is. Okay, so now we're about to go out to eat tonight. We're going to a restaurant that we went to before. We're going to go to Perry's, which is just a bar. We're going to go there for the night, and then we might go to a club with one of the guys that we met a while back when we first went on this trip. Beautiful. Like, I could be here all day and not get bored of it. Like, just relax and chill and enjoy life. Like, this is the life. This is the life. Like, it's so freaking pretty. We're like eating and drinking along the waters right there. Like, this is beautiful. to swim. So that should be fun. We on our way. We out. We out.
My dad worked at New York.
Oh, you got your whole family.
This is so nice.
My uncle, but he doesn't live here. And my auntie. All four.
This is so nice. It's memories. Okay, so now we're at our friend's house, and his house is so nice. We're supposed to be going swimming here, so. We all up in his house.
They did. They don't cater.
This is so nice. His house is so nice. Oh my god! We in China, y'all. Say hey.
We out here.
Out here. Twerk some. Hey, hey. Okay, guys. So we had swam already, and now we're about to have movie night. I do need to get in the shower, so my friend Kevin had let us each individually have a room, and this, I'm about to show you the room and the bathroom. It is beautiful. His house is enormous, and it's so beautiful, so I'm going to show you before I get in the shower what it actually looks like. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. He has like so many rooms. This is the room. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And then there's like a lake over there. This is beautiful. And then it has like the own little vanity. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this is the bathroom and the bedroom. So I'm going to take a shower and then talk to you guys later. My voice is like really ugly and nasty, but we're going to have a movie night after this, and then I'll check in with you guys later. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so this is my friend Kevin. Kevin, say hi.
Hi.
He has took care of the girls. Shout out to him. Special shout out. This is his house. His home is beautiful. And we just want to say thank you for all the help that you've been doing for us. So, you want to say anything?
I really enjoyed you girls being here. Yeah, and I'm gonna stay with you girls this last week with you girls.
Yeah.
So it's okay.
And you gotta come to United States.
I have to.
Yeah, so we can show
Like,
you around.
practice my accent though.
Yeah.
Terrible accent, so it's okay.
But now he is cooking some pasta. He's Chef Kev over there. But yeah, so.
My accent Italiano.
And you speak how many languages?
5 languages.
5 languages. I only know 1. Like, that's crazy. I want to learn Spanish though. I know a little bit,
What's
but
Spanish has it's called?
I know.
Okay, just
Watch it. Okay. Okay, but yeah, he's in here cooking pasta for us. We had a fantastic time. It's just been an amazing experience. But we're staying at his house tonight because like it's really early in the morning right now. Like it's light outside, so they don't really have like taxis out here and stuff like 5 o'clock in the morning. So, but yeah, me and Kalia are about to eat the pasta that he's making us for all 3 of us, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. But I'm gonna keep vlogging until, you know, the end of the trip. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.